Power is like clean air. Invisible but essential to our daily lives. If you look closely, you can see how Delta UPSs are powering your life. Because of the pandemic, working remotely has become a major trend. Delta's VX Line Interactive UPS provides a cost-effective solution to help you continue working and ensure that your data uploads completely during a power outage. Besides working remotely, unmanned stores are also becoming popular. Unmanned stores use cameras to improve the customer experience by identifying customer profiles and the products they take so that the checkout is quick and automatic. Delta's RT series are used at world-renowned unmanned stores in the United States to provide power protection for the camera equipment. In society nowadays, it's hard to live without online shopping and its logistics service. The first stop for logistics is the post office. In Oceania, Delta's MX Line Interactive UPS not only helps the post office provide uninterrupted service, but it also ensures better equipment performance based on pure sine wave technology. The next stop after the post office are logistics factories and hubs. The large logistics company in Asia has advanced automated logistics systems which can offer a higher daily package processing volume based on less labor and lower error rates. The central control and security system operates day-to-day without interruption since it started using Delta's and online UPS. In the logistics chain, air transportation is very important for high-value and time-sensitive commodities and products. With the growing logistics market, airport security requirements have increased significantly. One of Asia's leading security solution providers has chosen Delta's and online UPS to bundle into their solution for providing reliability and greater energy savings via online double conversion topology. Delta's small rating UPS features a reliable design, high efficiency, and versatile configurations, so power can be ensured in every moment of our daily life. Delta's power, your life's power.